leader, your friend.
He's been my friend for over 3,000 years. But Jakal knows our first duty is your safety, my prince.
We can't let Scarab get his hands on you.
It's what Jakal wanted, for you to be saved.
But we can't just leave him.
We have to, my prince. We must protect you above all else. Even if that means losing Jakal. Come, we must find a way to get the prince off this island.
Sorry to have to put you in solitary confinement, but you won't be here for long.
Don't expect any last-minute calls from the governor, either.
With the strength of Ra.
I'm too weak.
Lost too many Shabtis taking Jakal. We need reinforcements to capture Prince Rapses and the others.
Where do we get them? Rent a thug?
No, not thugs. There must be enough restless spirits in this place to catch 100 mummies. And their puny prince. Imprisoned spirits, I set you free. Come forth! My bars cannot hold your evil. By my powers, you are unleashed. Come forth and obey my will.
Are you sure about this, boss? All these crooks. Are you sure you can control them?
Control me? The greatest criminal mind in 35 centuries?